Am I the only one who had no clue about this wild plan to give pollution the boot in Delhi? Delhi's gearing up for a pollution smackdown with a 21-point action plan. The headliner: artificial rain, scheduled from November the 1st to 15th. Yep, you heard that right. Picture this: drones doing real-time pollution spying, while 85 machine sweepers and 200 anti-smog guns hit the streets like superheroes. Plus, an anti-dust campaign kicks off on October the 7th. Over the past 4 years, Delhi has planted 2 crore trees, chopping pollution by 34.6%. Also, a green war room is being set up to coordinate all efforts. And did I mention the cracker ban and 360 teams checking vehicle pollution certificates? It's an all-out war on pollution. If you want more updates like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned and breathe easy, Delhi.